This video explains how to apply enrollment rules across multiple courses in Discover. The 2023.8 update to enrollment rules adds the ability to apply rules to as many courses as required. This feature is most flexible with Manager Dashboard and user attributes because it offers more possible conditions for an enrollment rule. However, Brightspace course still gives users the ability to add rules across multiple courses based on the user's role and organization. To apply enrollment rules, the following permissions are necessary: Manage Discover, configure availability in Discover. From your organizational homepage, navigate to Discover. Click More Actions, Enrollment Rules. On the Enrollment Rules page, click Create Enrollment Rule. Enter a rule name and select the conditions for your enrollment rule. To apply this rule to courses, click Add or Remove Courses. In the dialog, select all the courses you want to apply the rule to. Click Update. Review the details of your enrollment rule and click Save and Close. You have created a new enrollment rule and applied it to multiple courses in your organization.